Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best New York Stock Exchange Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The New York Stock Exchange is the largest equities-based exchange in the world, based on the total market capitalization of its listed securities. Formerly run as a private organization, the NYSE became a popular entity on March 8, 2006, following the acquisition of the electronic trading exchange Archipelago. When a forex broker becomes listed on the New York Stock Exchange, it is typically seen as an indication of that company's success in terms of its net worth and the volume of its transactions. Traders who are searching for some of the top 5 best NYSE Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best New York Stock Exchange Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 4 on our list is Lite Finance. Lite Finance is a CYSEC-regulated ECN Forex broker that was founded in 2005. The company was originally incorporated under the name Lite Forex. However, in 2021, it was rebranded to Lite Finance with the expansion of its product offering. Lite Finance offers more than 50 major and minor currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips on the ECN account. They also offer a wide range of stocks from leading exchanges such as Euronext, Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, as well as oil and metal trading. Lite Finance's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Their accounts on offer feature an ECN account and a Classic account. Both accounts can be opened by depositing $50 US, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed. You will also be able to use both accounts for social trading, and these are market execution accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. Lite Finance also provides beginners Forex books written by professionals, a Forex glossary you can use to learn the basic terminology and concepts about Forex trading, guides on trading strategies, reviews, and live webinars. They also provide technical and fundamental analysis notes, along with analytical material from Claw and Horns, updated currency rates, quote charts, and economic news updates for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Lite Finance. Coming in at number 3, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best New York Stock Exchange Forex brokers, we have RoboMarkets. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated beginner-friendly brokers. This company was founded in 2012, and they are regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the financial regulatory agency of Cyprus. RoboMarkets have won dozens of awards over the years for being safe, offering the best trading conditions, and for providing the best mobile trading platform. As a RoboMarkets client, you will have access to more than 12,000 Forex pairs, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. They offer 5 flexible, low-cost accounts, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. RoboMarkets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. RoboMarkets also offers an exceptional proprietary trading platform known as RStoxTrader. And this platform was designed specifically for trading thousands of CFDs and stocks on offer. This platform has a built-in algorithmic strategy builder, and you can research and analyze market conditions down to the finest details with the Level 2 market depth, as well as time and sales data provided. In addition to the tools and features you get with MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as RStoxTrader, RoboMarkets also provides advanced trading calculators, in-depth financial charts, and an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events. RoboMarkets offers 5 types of accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. Unlike most other brokers, a minimum deposit of $100 is required to use any of these accounts. So more experienced traders don't have to make larger deposits to use professional accounts, which usually offer tighter spreads, higher leverage, and more advanced trading tools. The maximum leverage allowed at RoboMarkets is 1 to 300. However, the leverage you can use will depend on your level of trading experience and knowledge of trading. If you are trading for the first time, or you would like to test your strategies, we would recommend the ProCent account. The ProCent account comes with loyalty bonuses, deposit bonuses, and one-click trading. This account offers floating spreads starting from 1.3 pips, and you can use it to trade a wide range of CFDs on Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Their Prime account or their Electronic Communication Network account offer floating spreads starting as low as 0 pips and are eligible for all loyalty bonuses. They are both market execution accounts, but the Prime account offers the best trading conditions overall, while the ECN account offers the lowest spreads, more currency pairs, and the fastest execution. However, both accounts are great for intermediate and professional traders. Their RStoxTrader account is designed specifically for stock trading on the RStoxTrader platform, and it can be used to trade more than 12,000 stocks. The spreads and commission fees on this account are incredibly low, and it is the only account that can be converted to a swap-free account. The main difference between these accounts is that the ProCent account is a cent account that can only be used to trade Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. However, the Pro account can be used to trade all instruments offered and is one of the most popular accounts amongst RoboMarkets clients. RoboMarkets provides introductory guides for beginners that will help you open your account and make your first trade. There are also guides that will help you choose the right platform and account for you. Once your account is set up, you can visit the RoboMarkets Analytics Center. Here you will find weekly reviews, updates on key economic news, overall market overviews, wave analysis, and more. They also provide dozens of technical indicator signals that are displayed in table format and are available on 7 timeframes. We would also recommend watching the RoboMarkets webinars to gain expert insights into the markets and exclusive trading tips, and you can also read through their blogs to learn more about stock trading and investing. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated all-in-one brokers for beginners, professionals, and all types of traders in between. They offer flexible accounts with tight spreads and thousands of tradable instruments, so we highly recommend trading with them if you would like to trade stocks and CFDs, and especially if you are a high-volume trader, so that you can earn cashback rewards every month. And those are some of the top 5 best New York Stock Exchange Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.